Hey, move of the day. I literally just sat in this spot doing 20 to 25 minutes of yoga. Um, Whoa, really is all I can say. And so I thought of everything that this 25 minutes did for me. And I thought instead of us or me doing something to strengthen your body today, to teach you to strengthen your body, I thought I would give you a little lesson in strengthening your mind. I ain't good at this, just so you know. So, with all the negativity going on right now in our country, and I just had to vamp. I could not be on social media because I was just seeing hate spewed everywhere. And I thought that today we could take 1 minute to sit in complete silence. Find you a place like I have found myself right here that is solitary, that is quiet. If nature's your thing, it is mine. So my music today is the birds and the bees and the crickets I hear, probably some frogs, a couple of fish, whatever I'm hearing, that's my music. The wind. So maybe you could find you a place like that, but if not, maybe find some soft music, something that helps you not think. Personally, my challenge for you is nature. Even if it's just your backyard and you live in the middle of the city, I don't care. Try to absorb everything that is around you. Listen to it. Feel it. Silence the actual noise that is going on inside your brain. Not really sure how well I will do with this in terms of timing it for a minute. So I'm just going to set the phone down and we're going to be quiet together. Shooting for a minute. No damn ohms. No anything unless you need to go into prayer. That's fine. Just sit and be still. Well, a minute's gone by. That scared shit out of me. There's your move of the day.